friends, welcome to my channel Sharaya's Knowledge Heart. Today we will discuss about IPL. About IPL, the Indian Premier League or IPL is a professional 2020 cricket league in India contested during March or April and May of every year by 8 teams representing 8 different cities in India. The league was founded by Board Cricket Control of India or BCCI in 2008. More about the IPL. The IPL is the most attended cricket league in the world and in 2014 ranked 6th by average attendance among all sports leagues. In 2010, the IPL became the first sporting event in the world to be broadcasted live on YouTube. Seasons of IPL. There have been 12 seasons of the IPL tournament. The current IPL title holders are the Mumbai Indians, who won the season in 2019. The venue for the 2020 season has been moved due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Games will now be taking place in the United Arab Emirates from 19 September. Current teams: Chennai Super Kings, Delhi Capitals, Mumbai Indians, Kolkata Knight Riders, Sunrisers Hyderabad, Royal Challengers Bangalore, Rajasthan Royals and Kings 11 Punjab. Awards: Orange Cap, Purple Cap and Most Valuable Player. Orange Cap. The Orange Cap is awarded to the top run scorer in IPL during a season. It is an ongoing competition with the leader wearing the cap throughout the tournament until the final game, with the eventual winner keeping the cap for the season. Purple Cap. The Purple Cap is awarded to the top wicket taker in the IPL during a season. It is an ongoing competition with the leader wearing the cap throughout the tournament until the final game, with the eventual winner keeping the cap for the season. We will discuss history, teams and organization in the next video. Till then, bye.